In the world of heavy-duty machinery, there's one component that determines whether your engine runs at peak performance or becomes a source of constant downtime. That component is the fuel injection pump. The model in focus here is the 43240-532 fuel injection pump, designed for Caterpillar's 420E and 430E equipment, specifically for engines like the C4.4 and C6.6. While it may look like a compact piece of hardware, its role inside the engine system is enormous. Without a reliable pump, the engine won't deliver the power, responsiveness, or efficiency required for long, demanding workdays. The pump is what ensures that the right amount of diesel fuel is injected into the combustion chamber with the precision and timing that these Caterpillar engines are engineered for. Let's step back for a second and understand the function. In a diesel engine, there are no spark plugs to ignite the mixture. Combustion happens through compression. That means the accuracy of the injection system is critical. The pump pushes fuel under extremely high pressure directly into the combustion chamber, at exactly the right moment. When it's working properly, you get smooth operation, reliable torque, and clean emissions. When it isn't, the entire system feels sluggish, fuel economy drops, and emissions spike. This is exactly why the 324-0532 fuel injection pump matters. It's not just about fuel delivery, it's about precision, consistency, and efficiency. For Caterpillar C4.4 and C6.6 engines, which are the backbone of the 420E and 430E models, this pump ensures the original performance standard is maintained over the long haul. One of the standout aspects here is design compatibility. Unlike generic aftermarket options, this pump is tailored to integrate directly into the Caterpillar system. That means it's built for the C4.4 and C6.6 specifically, ensuring no compromises in timing, pressure, or durability. In practice, that translates to easier installation, fewer mechanical adjustments, and an exact fit every time. But the benefits go deeper. When fitted with this pump, operators will notice smoother acceleration and steadier power delivery under heavy loads. Machines like the 420E and 430E are put to the test daily, whether it's digging, hauling, or lifting, they demand a lot from their engines. This pump helps those engines deliver without hesitation, so you're not left with stalling, smoke, or uneven performance. Fuel efficiency is another area where this pump makes a difference. Diesel costs add up quickly, especially for fleets running multiple machines across large job sites. A pump that injects the right amount of fuel at the right pressure ensures complete combustion. That means less wasted fuel, better efficiency, and ultimately lower operating costs. Over time, the savings from reduced fuel consumption alone can easily outweigh the initial investment in a high-quality injection pump. Durability should not be overlooked either. Caterpillar machinery is often pushed into extreme conditions: dust, dirt, moisture, high heat, and long hours of continuous operation. A weak or poorly designed pump won't last under those conditions. The 43240-532 pump is built to endure them, ensuring long service life with minimal interruptions. That reliability means less downtime and more productivity, which is exactly what operators and business owners need. Another point worth mentioning is compliance with emissions standards. As regulations become stricter, equipment must run cleaner without sacrificing performance. A fuel pump like this one ensures combustion happens efficiently, which minimizes unburned fuel and cuts down on black smoke or excess emissions. For companies focused on both performance and environmental responsibility, that's a major advantage. When you break it down, there are three core reasons why this pump stands out. Precision engineering. It delivers the right fuel amount at the exact right time. Seamless compatibility, designed specifically for Caterpillar C4.4 and C6.6 engines. Durability, built to withstand harsh job site environments and keep going. Now, consider what happens when a fuel injection pump begins to fail. Symptoms include rough idling, difficulty starting, loss of power, and thick smoke from the exhaust. These aren't just annoyances, they're warning signs that the engine isn't getting what it needs. Ignoring these signs often leads to more serious and costly failures. By replacing a failing pump with a high-quality unit like the 324-0532, you restore confidence in your machine's reliability and performance.